A spine that functions like a well-oiled machine supports you in all of your daily activities. And the way to create this machine is through correcting your spinal structure. So let's get to the bottom of this and what that means. So simply put, spinal correction is all about bringing your spine back to its ideal shape to allow for its normal function. It's just like a car's alignment getting fixed so it drives more smoothly. Now, the goals of a corrective and supportive spinal plan are pretty straightforward. So first, we aim for a normal front and side view posture externally. So from the outside, that means aligning the center of your head, your rib cage, and your pelvis vertically in both the front and side views. So it's imagining yourself like you're a tall tower, tall like a building, okay, nice and straight up and down. So next, we have to focus on what's going on internally and achieving normal spinal alignment in those respects as well. So from the front view, it's very similar to the external view. We want your spine and your posture to be straight like a column, strong and sturdy. But from the side, it's a little different. We want what's called the Harrison ideal or average spinal model that was developed with research. And that consists of 3 balanced curves, one in the neck, one in the mid-back, and one in the low back. And I've spoken about this on previous videos as well, so I'm not going to dig deep into that. But just imagine an S shape, and that's what you want the side view of your spine to look like. In that position, with that S curve and from the side, and then also straight up and down from the front, that takes the maximum amount of stress off of your nervous system and your body. But here's the thing, not all spinal health programs are created equal. The general corrective stretching and exercises, they're good, and you find those ad nauseum online, but they just don't cut it. So we're talking about specific corrective spinal exercises and traction here. So how do we accomplish spinal correction? Well, in most cases, it involves corrective traction, specific exercises, and lifestyle adjustments. So please don't get scared by the word traction. It simply means using a specific spinal reshaping device or devices and retraining the ligaments of your spine to hold the ideal structure. And it's where most of the correction of the spine takes place. So that's why it's so essential, but not many people know about it. Not many people are doing it. So it's similar to putting braces on teeth to reshape the teeth and the mouth. And we don't want to forget about targeted exercises. They're like specific personalized workouts for your spine, helping it get back into shape. And I want to clear up one common misconception is that getting adjustments or getting a manipulation, it might have, which you probably have heard of, it's not actually correcting the spinal structure. It's not like you can push on crooked teeth to straighten those out, correct? So that's similar to an adjustment. You know, the adjustment is more like giving your spine a little nudge in the right direction. But the real work and real correction comes from these exercises and traction that I just mentioned. The best part about spinal correction is that it gives you better posture without you having to constantly think about standing up straight. You just do it automatically. Your range of motion will get a boost with better quality of movement. Plus, your muscles will thank you because it'll have newfound strength. Spinal correction can even lead to better overall health because, as I mentioned, the stress that it takes off of your nervous system, which means more energy, more resources for your body's healing capabilities. Remember, your spine is the foundation of health and strength in the body. So build a solid, strong foundation. And if you're curious about corrective exercises, stay tuned for our next video because I'm going to share one that's going to help with the upper curve, your neck curve. So don't forget to hit the like button if you found this helpful and subscribe to this channel because I'm going to be giving you more and more spine strengthening content.